Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best laptop bags available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Swiss Multifunctional 17-inch laptop backpack. The 3 spacious main compartments have become the backbone of my organization system. I use the largest section for clothes during travel or books during school days. The middle compartment houses my tech accessories, chargers, and documents, while the smallest main section holds my daily essentials like wallet, keys, and snacks. The external USB port with built-in charging cable has become one of my most used features. I keep a portable battery pack in the dedicated internal pocket, and the external port allows me to charge my phone without opening the bag or fumbling with cables. The U-shaped, 3-dimensional ventilation design isn't just marketing speak, it genuinely works. Even during hot summer days carrying a full load, I notice significantly less back sweat compared to my previous backpack. The airflow channels are pronounced enough to create noticeable ventilation without compromising the bag structure. At number 2 is the INFYA Travel Min 17-inch laptop backpack. The soft handle design works well for short carries, though I wouldn't want to lug a fully loaded bag by the handle for extended periods. The material is comfortable and doesn't cut into my hands, even when the bag is at its 55-liter capacity. As someone who travels with a 17-inch gaming laptop, finding adequate protection is crucial. The dedicated computer interlayer exceeded my expectations. The compartment features thick padding on both sides and a soft lining that prevents scratches. The 36 to 55-liter capacity range sounds impressive on paper, and it delivers in practice. At minimum compression, the bag easily handles my daily essentials: laptop, chargers, documents, lunch, water bottle, and miscellaneous items. When expanded to full capacity, I've successfully packed for week-long trips without needing additional luggage. At number 3 on our list is the BANGE Expandable Men's 17.3 in laptop backpack. The Oxford fabric main material has exceeded my expectations in terms of durability. After months of use, including several hiking trips where the bag encountered rocks, branches, and general outdoor wear, it shows minimal signs of wear. The fabric has a subtle texture that resists scuffing and maintains its professional appearance even after extended use. The soft handle provides a comfortable alternative for short carries. When navigating crowded spaces or moving through airport security, the handle offers better control than shoulder straps. The RQ8 shoulder strap design distributes weight more evenly than traditional straight straps. During longer walks or hiking trips, I notice significantly less shoulder fatigue compared to my previous backpacks. The curved design follows the natural line of my shoulders, reducing pressure points that typically develop during extended wear. Moving up at number 4 is the Fewchor travel laptop bag. I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting premium build quality at this price point, but I was pleasantly surprised. The nylon construction feels durable, and after 6 months of regular use, I haven't noticed any significant wear. The zippers operate smoothly, though I did notice they're not the heavy-duty YKK zippers you'd find on premium bags. For the price range, however, they're perfectly adequate. The RQ8 shoulder straps are genuinely comfortable, even when the bag is fully loaded. I've worn this backpack for hours during long travel days, and the ergonomic design distributes weight well across my shoulders and back. The padding is adequate without being bulky, and the straps don't dig in like some budget backpacks I've used. The soft handle is a nice touch for those moments when you need to carry the bag by hand, particularly useful when navigating tight airplane aisles or when you want to quickly grab it from overhead storage. At number 5 is the FLCC Vacuum laptop bag. The 20 to 35-liter capacity range isn't just marketing speak. This bag truly adapts to your needs. On a typical workday, I'm using maybe 20 liters of space for my laptop, documents, lunch, and daily essentials. But when I'm heading out for a weekend trip or need to carry extra gear, the expandable design kicks in seamlessly. The soft handle provides a nice alternative carrying option, It's particularly useful when navigating crowded spaces or when you need to quickly grab and go. The RQH shoulder straps deserve special mention. I was initially concerned about comfort during long carries, but these straps distribute weight beautifully. The curved design follows the natural contour of your shoulders, and even when the bag is fully loaded, I don't experience the shoulder fatigue I've had with other backpacks. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.